Randy from League City has a question about water heaters.
Well, he has a problem with the way they were installed in his house. Randy writes, we bought this new home back in May of 2011, and the builder installed two 40-gallon water heaters in series, right? A couple months ago, I thought I got up in the middle of the night because I heard water running. Then I heard it hitting the floor when I went back to bed, and I realized there was a leak. So he went out and turned off the water to the house, he says. And it turns out that the pipe that leads from the second water heater to the first one, or the other way around, busted. So Randy wants your opinion, Tom, about is it common to hook up water heaters in series like this?
It's not something I would recommend to do. Does it happen? Sure. Some people do it. They think that one water heater will feed another water heater, and then you'll constantly get hot water. If I was going to do it, I would go straight from the water heaters out and do them parallel as opposed to in series. But as far as that goes, that's not the reason why the pipe broke. So don't blame the pipe on. Either way, a pipe was going to break is going to break.
I was excited for a minute. It's like, did you have the seer-like power that you knew why that pipe broke?
No.
Oh.
I just saying it broke. Okay. But whether you had them in parallel or had them in series, the pipe was doomed. It was doomed. I don't know why, but that did not cause the pipe to break.
Right.
But would I do it differently and do it where they're both feeding directly in and not going from one water heater to the other? Yes, I think that's a better way to go.
Well, it seems to me it's a house that's 8 years old having a pipe burst like that. It's kind of young for that pipe.
We're getting into these water issues now. With the water being so aggressive, people aren't conditioning it. Maybe it's well water that they're pulling out of the ground. I don't know, but it's usually especially on the hot side because it tends to separate everything. And so I don't know, and I don't even know what kind of pipe it was, but you can't blame the way it was plumbed, the pipe breaking.
Okay, I get that. And in parts of the country, water is really aggressive, like here in Texas. It's very aggressive.
Super.
So.
Yeah.
Then you go back east where they've got that soft water like New York.
New York has the soft water. That's why they say the pizza dough is better.
That's it.
Yeah, but it's also very bad for your body. Naturally softened water.
It would come to food sooner or later. All right. Yeah. But it'll always come to helping you when you send us your questions at HomeShowRadio.com. Use that Ask Tom form. Fill it out. Send it in. We'll put it on. That's how it works. Just like these videos over here.
Ding!